almost at 1. I feel like I'm at about 40 thousandths over that 1 inch mark still. So I have another 40 thousandths to work, and I guess I was at 90. Up to, again, I have 40 thousandths more to take off. So I'm gonna go from 90 to 100. So if I take 40 thousandths, and I just have to do 90, right here where I was at 90 thousandths, so I took that measurement, add 40 thousandths. 90 plus 40 is 130, so I'm gonna be at 100 here, 110, 120, 130. So I'm gonna stop at the 130, and we'll see how I mic out at 130 thousandths. Now for this next cut, I'm going to start over here on this side and end up on this side. To change things up again, I'm going to raise it. Now I'm at 10 thousandths. My final goal is 30 thousandths here. I'm going to go just under that and take my next mic reading. Just make sure I don't have any play in the... $20 thousandths. I'm going to go from 20 to 25. I'm going to save 5 thousandths. I'm going to mic everything in and make sure I'm good on my measuring. And I should only have 5 thousandths left to machine if I've done all my micrometer reading correctly. Going back and forth has really helped with that burr. This mill is cutting very, 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 very well. I'm really happy with it so far. I'm going to traverse this over. I'm going to go the other way with it. Just to speed things up. Move some of these chips, get a nice clean space, and that cleaned up. Now my burrs here are a lot smaller than they were. Almost can peel them off by hand. One of the nice things about cutting with carbide is just this right here. Reading looks good. Just so you can see, I'm right between the 5 and the 6. It's difficult to see there. I'm really close to 0. I'm going to pass 0 in another 5 thousandths. So I'm happy. This is great. I'm going to lower this out and zoom this in. Notice I'm at the 20, almost at 25 thousandths. I think I am. There's a little bit of backlash. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it right up to 30. And I'm just going to go a smidge past that. I'm going real. It looks like 30 because there's a little bit of play here, but I know I'm at a little bit past that. Oh, that's weird. I might have a chip in here. Huh. Working. Okay. I honestly think I'm not holding it right. There might not be a whole lot I do about that extra 1,000. Right there looks deadpan 1.0. Looks deadpan 1.0. Only way to really assess this is not to use a mic. It looks like I'm perfectly lined up, and it kind of is a tough angle, so I'm going to move this around and get you right squared up. It is not really much of a question. That is 0.